Every time we see a wood saw in action, we can feel the magic of technology and the power of hard work. The feeling of seeing the saw strings running strong and fast, but still maintaining absolute precision makes people surprised. A colorful and exciting journey awaits you in the following video about building a wooden house. Made with perseverance and creative spirit, this is sure to be a wonderful experience for you. Let's start. To start this journey, he spent a lot of time looking for the largest and highest quality wooden trees in the forest, hoping they would become solid walls for the wooden house in his garden. Using his favorite chainsaw, he sawed down one tree at a time, with each return home bringing with it a piece of excitement and hope for the upcoming project. After the ground has been carefully prepared, excavation work begins to create the foundation for the project. Rebars are placed strategically, not only to enhance structural integrity, but also to ensure foundation stability and durability. Once the formwork and foundation pouring have been completed, the foundation becomes solid, preparing for the next steps in the construction process. Basement walls are built with the intention of not only creating additional space for utilities and storage, but also supporting the overall structure of the building. Waterproofing measures have been carefully applied to protect the foundation from moisture penetration, ensuring stability and sustainability for the entire project. Floor beams and OSB panels integrated together not only play a key role in providing structural support, but also create a durable and resilient foundation for floor construction, increasing stability and safety. Next, the floor is fixed correctly, using suitable materials to ensure the durability and stability of the entire structure. Timber frames are assembled for the walls, helping to create a frame for the vertical parts of the building. Using a wooden frame offers many benefits, including good insulation and the ability to easily adapt for future renovations. The quick wooden frame assembly process helps speed up the progress of home construction projects. Cutting and placing materials is done efficiently, shaping the wall and floor components accurately. During construction, as the second floor began to take shape, meticulous attention was paid to every detail. The frame system of the second floor is carefully assembled, serving as a solid foundation for the structures above. At the same time, the cutting and placement of materials and the shaping of the elements constituting the second floor were carried out carefully. Meanwhile, the wall construction of the second floor was done at the same time by enclosing the space with a wooden frame, ensuring a seamless and even connection with the structural frame. The process of building the house continues with aligning and fixing each panel into a solid foundation, creating a solid structure. The meticulousness in attaching accessories ensures that each detail is perfectly finished, bringing a durable and aesthetic appearance to the house. Each sheet of material is carefully glued, which not only provides strength but also plays an important role in ensuring the overall stability of the structure. Applying a black hexagonal pattern roof will bring a modern and luxurious style to the house. The beautiful design of the roof not only adds appeal but is also an important highlight, enhancing the architectural value of the entire building. Then, to create a more bright and airy interior space, windows are carefully installed to allow natural light to spread into the room. This not only creates a pleasant living environment but also helps optimize energy savings. In addition, the installation of doors is also done with the purpose of enhancing the security of the house and perfecting the structure with a harmonious combination of functional and aesthetic elements. Next, he proceeded to install chimney pipes and wire the electricity indoors to ensure safe electrical distribution. Then, to prevent moisture intrusion and protect the building structure, he installed drywall and applied a layer of blue vapor barrier. Finally, he carried out primer painting to create a smooth surface, ensure paint adhesion, and enhance durability for the walls, along with constructing the bathroom by laying water pipe systems and installing essential fixtures, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics. Wooden stairs are an important highlight in home architecture, bringing a warm and charming space to the house. Crafted with precision, wooden stairs not only enhance aesthetics, but also enhance accessibility and usability within the home. After completing the construction of the wooden house structure, the next steps often include wall cladding to create a protective shell and improve sound and heat insulation. Next is flooring, often using natural or artificial wood materials to create a warm and beautiful space. Next is the stage of making kitchen cabinets and finishing stages such as painting and interior decoration to create a comfortable and classy living space for the wooden house. Wooden cladding is used to beautify the exterior, creating a warm and naturally elegant accent. In addition to providing aesthetics, they also provide durability, resisting harsh elements. The craftsmanship is demonstrated through the engraving of complex patterns on the surface of the wooden panel, creating an artistic and precise overall look during the construction of the project. Powerful and precise, these wood saws have brought unprecedented innovation and efficiency to the forestry industry. Please subscribe to our channel to follow these wood saws more often. Let's get started. This wood saw is not only a powerful tool but also a symbol of precision. Each cut takes place down to the millimeter. The sawmill owner was very satisfied with this wood sawing machine. It can tear through a 14 to 16 ft tall poplar tree to complete a load of lumber in time for the holidays. With the design of two giant saw blades placed one after another, it can cut huge logs of wood easily.
Switching it and making it right. The first cut is always the best.
This is the largest oak log we have cut with this 56 saw. It seemed to have no difficulty at all. Looking at the powerful and durable working ability of this chainsaw, people cannot believe that it was manufactured in the 80s. The Woodland HM126 saw is impressive with its ability to cut large trees into uniform panels. Not only that, the sawdust is immediately collected without affecting the surrounding environment. The feeling that the saw strings of the Serra KE90 wood saw are both strong and fast but still maintain absolute accuracy makes people surprised. The National Style MS661 saw can create smooth boards and slats with great precision from large poplar trees. Small but powerful is the word used to describe the working ability of this Shindaiwa 390SX chainsaw. I believe you will be very impressed with the Logasol F2 Farmer chainsaw because it is an ultra-portable saw that can easily handle logs up to 60 cm in diameter. He was very satisfied using this Norwood ATA 14 wood saw because it really suited his family-sized work. Designed with a clamping and cutting head, this Ponce machine can lift and cut wood continuously and accurately. With its great ability to conquer the forest, the Timber Pro TF830, despite its price of up to $230,000 USD, is still chosen by businesses for their wood cutting work. Similarly, Rotnage 21D is also a wood saw with high capacity and high efficiency. It can process many tons of wood per hour. I was amazed because this wood saw was not only sharp but also made no noise. Workers can work in silence for 3 hours. Not only large saws, but handheld saws are still a popular tool over time. Each time this turbo saw enters the block of wood, it acts as a powerful weapon against the stiffness of the log. The resounding sound of the Husqvarna 3120 XP chain saw makes us admire the power it brings. Look, it can easily cut through even the largest and most stubborn piece of wood. A giant oak tree fell after a big storm. They quickly cleaned up the chaotic scene with this MS 880 Magnum saw. There is no need to praise this style MS 881 saw more because the working ability it brings is so great. Weighing just 7.4 kg and boasting an impressive 5.4 kW of power, the Stihl MS661 boasts a low power-to-weight ratio and is the lightest chainsaw in the large capacity segment.
This chainsaw was a marvel of engineering, defying all expectations by effortlessly cutting through giant tree trunks at unprecedented speeds, revolutionizing the logging industry. Precision and safety are paramount in the design of the fastest chainsaw, ensuring that the rapid cutting speed does not compromise the accuracy or the well-being of the operators. The evolution of chainsaw technology has introduced lightweight and ergonomic designs, providing loggers with improved maneuverability and reducing fatigue during prolonged cutting sessions. It can be seen that this is a giant tree that is nearly 70 years old. Can he cut through such a big tree? This action is performed by professionals. The requirements for this job are very high, because it is really difficult. The portability of chainsaws makes them able to operate anytime, anywhere, creating favorable conditions for logging during such snowy times. This type of palm tree is easy to cut through, but it is very large and requires saws of that length to be cut. The length of this saw is about 1 m5. Only this can meet the task of cutting such large logs. If you like these sawing machines, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to support us. He is cutting a beautiful piece of wood at a classic logging exhibition, which requires a very high level of technique from the cutter. This is a video from 13 years ago. At that time, chainsaw technology had developed so much. The evolution of chainsaw design has led to lighter and more ergonomic models, enhancing user comfort and reducing fatigue during prolonged use in demanding forestry conditions. Chainsaws play an important role in efforts to prevent wildfires, create fires, and clear vegetation to minimize the spread of fires. This chainsaw is equipped with a noise reduction feature that contributes to a quieter work environment, addressing concerns related to noise pollution in both professional and residential settings. This is the Poulan 82 bow saw. It was mainly used 10 years ago, but now very few people use it. Saw chains with different configurations meet specific cutting needs, allowing users to choose the right chain for tasks ranging from cutting small logs to felling heavy trees.